Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft in yet another unboxing video of the HP V220w, and this is almost similar to the pen drive which we have unboxed previously. This is the 64 gigs variant, and also you get in other variants also. And guys, I have provided a link in the description, so please do check that out because the price keeps on changing on Flipkart. I got it around for roughly around 600 rupees, and you all should be getting it lesser for that. And this is how it looks. It is again shiny shimmery like the other pen drive, the v236w, which we have unboxed. Also guys, if you like this kind of unboxing videos, please hit that like button and please subscribe to our channel, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get future updates whenever we upload any new video. And coming back to this particular pen drive guys, this is all shiny shimmery and fingerprinty pen drive which we have. And this is, looking at the design, it is very compact. And as you can see guys, this is one of the most compact pen drives by HP, and it really makes a style statement, and it would really look great in your kitchen. And the entire build is made from metal, which I really like. And the sad part is it is just USB 2, and as you can see over here there is this connector, and it reflects almost every color in the room. It is basically like a mirror kind. So I really like the aluminum finish of it, and really the cleaner, the awesome kind of 64 GB is reflecting. And even the HP, I feel this is a better looking pen drive compared to the ones previously we had. And highly recommended if you are looking just to buy a pen drive just for copying basic files like Word, Excel files, and just moving from one PC to other, because that copying speed will be less. Also guys, if you like this kind of videos, please share it with those people who are looking to buy a pen drive, especially your friends, family, or colleagues. Or you might also like to give this kind of pen drive to them. And like, coming back to the pen drive, this is a sort of a good looking pen drive, I would say, a very compact. If that is what you are looking for, then definitely you should go by HP, and HP is a sort of a branded company. And I highly recommend going for this only because of the price range what this offers. And you can see it is very cheap compared to the ones which you get from other manufacturers. And the sad part is, let us just check out the speed of it, and it is just USB 2. So let me just select the drive. We are using the crystal disk for testing this out. So also guys, I'll be fast forwarding this video to 3x, and in the meantime I'll be just talking about the pen drive and my personal experience. So I had been using this just to move tiny little files like images or thumbnails of my videos from one PC to other, and maybe just for a quick backups of documents, etc., of my family members. And this is good for those kind of things. But if you are doing like heavy stuff like transferring video and all, I do not recommend this particular pen drive. So with this particular test, that is this speed test, we are going to find out, and I'm going to tell you the conclusion whether you should buy the HP pen drive. And if your prime requirement of buying this particular pen drive is gifting someone, or maybe like I said, if it is just for copying basic files, then highly recommended it. But then if your requirement only is about moving large amount of file, then do not recommend it. Also, if you want a pen drive like sort of a style statement, want to put it for your keychain that it looks very good, then this is the right pen drive for you. As you can see, it is very compact compared to the ones which we have. And you can see the read speed, it is already started showing, which is around 32 mbps, so which is not bad also. And it's not great also guys, because if you are buying something like a type C pen drive from other manufacturer, or maybe even from HP, I guess, I don't know whether they are available right now. And like if you're buying those type C pen drive, then definitely I have seen the speed up to something like 142 mbps and all, and 32 is very less in my case, because I'm already connected to the USB 3.2 connector which is there for my MSI laptop. And considering this, even the write speed, it is around just 8 mbps, which is very slow guys, sorry, but in at least in 2021 we should not be seeing at least something like 18 mbps or 8 mbps, and especially for even for two USB 2 pen drives. And I don't think so this would be an ideal deal for a long run. And if I, like I said, if this is like a quickie, if you want somewhat like a backup of your backup pen drive, then this is a kind of thing. So if you are in emergency meeting and all and just would like to want something always with you, then I recommend this. Otherwise I don't recommend by checking out the write speed and all, that is 8 mbps. Although guys, this is a fantastic looking, brilliant looking, very compact, highly reflective pen drives, but looking at the speed etc, I do not recommend, because I would recommend something else by paying at least double of it and going for a type C connector, since this is you'll be able to use only with the PC and not with your smartphone. So I hope guys, I'm able to resolve most of the questions. I hope guys you enjoyed this particular video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel because there is always something new to learn on Creative Zone. Also do check out these cool videos which you have it on our channel. Let us know in the comments below what do you think about these particular topics. And again guys, thanks a lot for watching this particular video and see you in my next video.